Hello, so let's look together at a membrane protein insertion into an implicit membrane using the OMPT enzyme, starting up this simulation, which uses our internal BioSpring tool. You can see here the outer membrane enzyme inserted in the membrane. We have also the views from the side, so you can see if it's inclinated. And with the mouse, actually, I can sort of change the orientation. Here, I light it a little bit down in the membrane. Probably this force is a little bit high. Let me see if I can reduce it. Yeah. Now I think it's a better adjustment. Okay, you see, I don't overshoot so much. So I can nudge the protein a little bit and see, okay, is it happy in that position that it has? Here as well. I can try to pull it out of the membrane to some extent, see whether it goes back in, which it is. And you can see it likes to have a tilted orientation in the membrane. And try to put it straight just to retest. It goes immediately tilted in another direction. So it really has this preference. You can also try to light flat in the middle of the membrane and see what happens. Okay. I think it doesn't have quite enough motion to go straight, but I don't think this is a really stable. I think this is just metastable. Oh, come on. Need to manage to grab it. Okay. Now again, one more try. Goes in first, and I think it will go back up again. And then try its inclination. I mean, if you want plots, I think if I just disconnect and reconnect, we get the plots actually. That can show us, and let me move it a little bit above. This is by clicking on the middle mouse button and moving, you can move it up. And you can see now if I move it, I also have, the force was reset, I think. So let me put that back. And now I think, yeah, this is quite nice. And you can see down here how this is progressing in terms of insertion depth, insertion angle, the regions that I explore. And energy needs to be reset. It's not in the right ballpark here. But you can see how I can explore here different insertion angles and depth in this plot. And you could map out actually the whole space like that. Main point is it's really immediate to check for the preferences of a membrane protein insertion in a membrane. Doesn't take long. And that's very nice. Could also use arbitrary shaped membranes, not only straight ones, but that will be for another demo that still needs to be added to MolPlay. Okay. And I managed to find a relatively straight insertion actually. So let's stop here with this empty membrane insertion example. Thank you. Back to the main menu. And now you can stop. Bye-bye.